Welcome to the most thrilling new platform launch for 2024, which will make a change to you and your family's day-to-day lifestyle. Yes, that's what we said. So take advantage of this free sign-up and pre-launch, and become part of our free Winner's Circle offer, which is the elite part of Rewards Ripple Solutions. So what is Rewards Ripple Solution, you may ask? Well, this new platform is unlike anything else available in today's marketplace. It's where your new journey is as exciting as the rewards. In fact, it's something everyone wants and needs. And guess what? It will always be free to use, and you'll always have the opportunity to win cash and prizes without ever spending a penny. So sign up today while it's still available. You have nothing to lose but everything to gain. Because the Winner's Circle is something very special, where only people in pre-launch will be able to participate. In addition to the Winner's Circle, by joining you can elevate your life by supplementing your cash with real day-to-day products, all for free. How? Well, Rewards Ripple Solutions, also known as Ripple, is a new platform where multiple independent companies showcase their products, and by participating Ripple's members receive points. And guess what? Every time you win points, they are divided in half with a worldwide charitable organization that you pick to play for. Yes, that's what I said. Every time you play in one of the games or use one of the products, you are playing to raise points for a charitable organization worldwide. What can be any better? You're winning money or prizes, at the same time of helping others. We call this I play, we win. But it gets better. Ripple is not just a platform, it's a movement by where playing in games not only means winning cash, but also points that turn into essential day-to-day necessities. For example, you will all be able to play in our free weekly game called Match It, where on average 20% of our weekly game players win massive amounts of points. But hold on, there's more. You can add your own personal charity or even a vacation fund, and every time a player in your winning tree wins, they contribute 10% of the allocated points to that account. But guess what? Every time somebody you have referred wins, you also win points, and wait for it. Your personal charity or vacation fund gets points too. It's a true win-win situation, and the best part? It won't cost you a single penny to play in the weekly games. Now you've won the points, you convert them into prizes by using our unique auction site where you will bid on whatever you want. Forget traditional prizes that you don't want, bid on what you want in our auction site. Picture this as an example. You can bid on a food basket, computer, iPhone, or a brand new car, all with your free points. And guess what? For our non-profit organizations worldwide, your points directly translate into delivering much-needed products to those in need. No red tape, just immediate help. So sign up now and take advantage of our pre-launch offer and become part of the Winner's Circle. And once you're in the Winner's Circle, hundreds or even thousands of Match It winners will contribute 10% of the total amount of points won to the Winning Circle members. This means everybody that signs up in pre-launch will be added to the Winning Circle, whether you know them or not, and if they win, you win too. And that's not all. Experience 360 Win, one of our favorite partners, where poker tournaments lead to real cash wins. And guess what? The reason they are one of our favorite partners is every time you win, they match your winnings to a worldwide charitable organization of your choice. What could be better? Cash in your pocket. Points to bid in an auction for your necessities. Cash to a worldwide charity of your choice. So are you ready to make a difference without spending a cent? Sign up now in our pre-launch. Just a simple email, name, and contact info, and you're in the Winner's Circle. So quickly spread the word with your family and friends during pre-launch to make sure they are part of the Winner's Circle, because when they win, you win too. We thank you for being part of this game-changing platform, raising funds for charitable organizations around the world. The revolution starts now. So make sure you join us on one of our weekly webinars to find out more. As we say at Ripple, play, enjoy, win, share, and give back to one who needs it.